is this email?
I don't know. I also get the same email.
Let's try to click the link.
Oh my god, what happened to my laptop? Why it suddenly died? Can it be low bat?
Or maybe it caused the link you clicked before.
Yes, I think so. Maybe that's the reason.
The next day, last night I got the link in the email. After I clicked the link, my laptop suddenly. Mother attacked the infant and I read a lot of news. Hey, hello.
Hey! Have you finished your assignment for the next lesson?
Yes, I do. Did you know about the news of malware?
Yes. My father computers is affect. It's pretty. It's very best and I hope the spirit is solved.
Yes, I hope. Guys, wait! I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I have an idea to stop when the screen is being spread, and I know you guys are great at hacking. So, would you like to come with me, trying to stop a small world?
Yeah, it's brilliant idea. How about you, Ariel?
I have to think about it first.
If you agree, come to my house tomorrow, and don't let anyone about this.
The next day,
Hey bro!
Hey guys, come in.
Ariel is not doing by itself, so we can start now.
Sure, let's go. So, can we start now?
Let's do it.
Bro, did you send me some email?
No, I didn't. Don't click that.
Oh my god, no, what happened to my laptop?
Stay calm. Everything will be fine.
How can I be calm if it's happening to my own laptop and all because of your stupid idea?
Wait!
Hey, come here. Look at this. Based on the location of the email received address, I got the identity of internet cafe operator, and now that he is the hacker spreading the malware, and now he is the area.
Yeah, immediately send it to the police that the hacker spread the malware.
Who is it?
Yeah, police department.
Oh, what the hell is this?
come with us in the jail.
Oh no!
Malware can spread thought, email attachment, fake website, effective USB drives, or by clicking pop-up ads online.
Malware can get into a computer when someone downloads unsafe files, clicks unknown links, or installs apps from untrusted sources.
Malware can damage your device, steal your information, make your computer slow or stop working.
Malware can make your device crash, show many ads, and lose your important files.
Malware can slow your device, steal your data, and damage file or control your computer.
Avoid malware. Do not click unknown links. Download only from trusted sources and keep your device updated and protected with antivirus.
Malware can harm your device by stealing your data, slowing it down, or causing it to stop working properly.